Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you all my favorite broccoli soup recipe. It's super easy to make and requires only 3 ingredients, along with a few spices. All you need is chopped onions, potatoes, carrots, spinach leaves, and broccoli florets. And then comes the main ingredient which makes this soup so creamy. Silken tofu. This is optional, but I highly recommend adding silken tofu for that extra creaminess. Then add some olive oil along with salt, pepper, ginger powder, garlic powder, turmeric powder, and red chili flakes. I'm going to start by adding olive oil into my pot, along with chopped onions. Sauté them until they turn translucent. Then I will be adding ginger, garlic paste followed by green chilies. Mix it well and let all these ingredients cook together. Now comes the fun part. Add potatoes and carrots along with salt, pepper, turmeric powder, red chili flakes, and garlic powder. Mix them well together. Then add spinach leaves followed by broccoli florets. Add water according to how thick or thin you want your soup to be. Cover it and let it cook until the vegetables are tender. Once they turn soft, blend the mixture using a hand blender or a mixer grinder. Now comes another important step which makes the soup extra creamy. Add silken tofu cubes and blend again until you get a smooth consistency. And voila, our soup is ready. Serve hot with some croutons and enjoy every bite of it. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such healthy recipes coming soon. Thank you so much for watching.